welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be trying out some Autoglym products, cleaning the car, etc. Let's get into the video. First up, we got this tar removing product. Now I'll show you a picture on the screen right now. There is some tar all around the car, basically stuck to my paintwork, and I want rid of it because the jet washer didn't get rid of it. So hopefully this tar remover does, and yeah, let's try to get rid of it now. It is as simple as you pour this out onto a cloth or a rag that you don't care about. Pour it out onto the rag, only a little bit, you don't need to do too much, and then you kind of scrub the bit of tar that's on the paintwork, and then once it's gone you completely just kind of like dry it with like a microfiber cloth. Easy as that. I do recommend washing the car beforehand, like making sure there's no like dust and muck on it, so you know exactly which bits you're cleaning and which bits are like mud and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure you clean the car first, because I didn't, and now I just realised I probably should have done. So yeah. Next up, we've got this interior shampoo, and the reason I mainly wanted this, I'll show you now. In my back seat, I have like a stain on the seats. I think I do in this front passenger seat as well, yeah. My seat's absolutely mint, but the back seats and the passenger, they all have like stains on, so that's like a thing I can get rid of the stains with. I'm not sure how I'll use it yet, but we'll get to that next. So the process is actually quite simple. All you literally need to do is just spray the solution on the seats. I would then agitate it with some sort of brush or a sponge. Then I would just wait for it to dry, or if it is a bit damp, like my other seats was a little bit damp, I would then dry it with a cloth. And to be fair, it did leave my seats pretty much spotless. This particular seat was just a little bit damp, that's why there's a patch on the back of the seat and on the bottom. But other than that, there was pretty much spotless afterwards. Next up, we have Autoglym Body Shampoo Conditioner. This is literally just basically soap for when you're cleaning the exterior of your car. So I will most likely put the car shampoo in a bucket of warm water, and then I will like scrub around the whole car, and then I will rinse the whole car off with the jet washer or a hose, and yeah, we'll get to that next. As I said, I use this product because you literally just pour some warm water, cold water, whatever you want to use, into a bucket, and then put some of the shampoo conditioner in, and then put a bit more water in, and like swirl it up, make sure all the bubbles and the foam's coming up, and then just hand wash it with a sponge. It's simple as that. And to be fair, it does foam up really nice on the car, and I can tell a difference on which bits was cleaned and which bits wasn't cleaned. Like, it did do a pretty good job, to be fair. I was surprised to say it was just a hand wash, and it did do very good. Just wash my body. In case you're wondering why there's no golf on the screen, it's because I used this product on everybody's cars. I cleaned everybody's cars today while the sun were out, so yeah, that's why there's a golf on the screen. I'm going to buy the alloy wheel cleaner that makes all this stuff bleed, because it's like, jet wash don't get this all off. So I'm going to try and get some sort of thing that'll make them bleed, make them look nicer. Same with on the Polo. Get these sorted because it don't come off with the jet wash. Yeah, get like the Golf sorted, the Polo sorted. My car's got wheel trims on my right until I get alloys. And then the Vauxhall as well, that's got alloys, so we'll get some wheel treatment for all them cars eventually. But yeah. But besides everyone else's car, my car is looking absolutely spotless after all the Autoglym products I used. It's looking mint. There's no tar on those. It's all just looking nice and clean. But it's just looking nice and clean. Like a new car again. I mean, it basically is a new car, to me anyway. Might be a 11-year-old car, but it looks fucking clean, doesn't it? It's always going to look clean. We're going to do some more videos on the Golf eventually, and maybe some videos on the Polo. I'm going to be reviewing them both eventually. One day, that is. We'll do it one day. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy the whole Autoglym stuff and you want to try it on your car, I will leave a link in the description if you want to go buy some of that for yourself. Anyways, please let me know in the comments what you want to see more of. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.